For today's class project, we will be sewing a zipper tote bag that's approximately 12 by 12 inches or 30.5 by 30.5 centimeters, with two long shoulder straps and outside and inside pockets. We will start by selecting the fabric and deciding which print we will use for the front and back, the outside pockets, the lining, that's the interior of the bag, and the inside pocket. Once we have all the panels, we will be ready to sew the zipper. So exciting! We'll add the straps and I'll teach you how to square up the corners so we create a roomy flat bottom for your tote. At the end of the class, you will have made your own cute organizer zipper tote bag. So practical and great to put all your sewing and craft tools, easy to carry and a great idea for a gift too. In the next lesson, we will measure and cut our fabric so we can have all the different panels ready for sewing.